Hello everyone, I am Neeraj Chaudhary. Once again, I am back with a new Excel function, that is how to use drop down list in Excel. So, to create a drop down list in Excel in more detail, follow these step by step instruction. First, select the cells and click on the cell or range of cells where you want the drop down list to appear. Second, go to the Data tab on Excel ribbon. Third, click on the Data Validation in the Data Tools group. Fourth, in the Data Validation dialog box, select the list from the Allow drop-down menu. Fifth, in the source box, enter the items you want to appear into the drop-down list, separated by commas. Example, item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. 6. Click OK to create the drop down list. So let's learn how to use drop down list with the data validation in Excel. So let's move on. And learn how to create a drop down list into the Excel. So let's do a practical. First, this is our data. Here we have to create drop down list with the department wise, like HR, IT, finance, admin, so on. So like this we have to create the department with the drop down list. So first select the range and then go to the data and click on the data validation. Now here click and select the list. Now click here and select the list which we need in a drop down. Now click OK. Now you will have a drop down list as a HR, supply chain, IT, operation, sales, finance. Now again admin, IT. So in this basis you can use a drop down button into the Excel sheet to ease your day-to-day work at your workplace. So hope you guys have enjoyed this learning, and thanks for watching the video. Happy learning, and please like and subscribe the channel. We'll meet you in the next video with the next topic, next interesting topic. Thank you for watching this video.